Hi everybody, I'm Miss Sam from the Asheboro Public Library Children's Room, and welcome to another Family Sing-along. And that is Pepper, my helpful storytime cat. And she's going to be hanging out just a little bit because she's a black cat, and we've got some spooky serenades for you today. Spooky serenades for Halloween, which is coming up quick. We're going to sing some songs about pumpkins and read some books about Halloween mice and pumpkins. Maybe play a little ghosty game. If you've got any instruments at home and you'd like to sing and play along, be sure to bring them to our Family Singalong Storytimes. You can play shaky eggs to the beat of the songs. You can also stomp your feet and clap your hands. Anything that you like to do. So for our first song for today, we're going to be saying hello to everyone with this hello song called Clap Your Hands. So if you can clap your hands, stomp your feet, and wave hello, you'll know how to sing this song at home. Clap your hands, everybody clap your hands. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands, everybody clap your hands. Now stomp your feet. Stomp your feet, stomp your feet. Everybody stomp your feet. Stomp your feet, stomp your feet, stomp your sweet little feet. Everybody stomp your feet. Wave hello, wave hello. Everybody wave hello. Wave hello, wave hello, wave hello, wave hello. Everybody wave hello. Great job. Hello, everybody. Today's songs are all about spooky serenades and pumpkins and Halloween. Our letter of the day today is P for pumpkin. P for pumpkin. Trace the P with me. Awesome. Do you see the word pumpkin in front of you on the screen? We're going to read a book about growing pumpkins and how they grow on the vine. Growing Pumpkins by Melvin Berger. This book is going to show us how pumpkins grow. And here's a table of contents. This tells us what's going to appear in the rest of the book. We've got a pumpkin patch, planting seeds, the growing plant, and types of pumpkins. What do you think we're going to be learning about today? In the fall, we pick pumpkins that have grown big and round and orange. Big and round and orange pumpkins. Pumpkins grow in a pumpkin patch. This looks really familiar, huh? The pumpkin patches right now, you can see them everywhere. In the summer, the pumpkin patch is empty. The farmer must get his field ready for planting. And there's the farmer working in the field. There's nothing in this field yet, but soon. Now it's time to plant the seeds. These are what the pumpkin seeds look like. He puts them in the ground, covers them up with soil. The farmer gives the pumpkin patch lots of water to help the seeds grow. Then the pumpkin plant grows big leaves and thick vines, beautiful and green. Here are all these lovely leaves. Soon, yellow flowers start to bloom. Hi, Pepper. Pepper really likes plants, and pumpkins especially. A pumpkin starts to form beneath the flower. Can you see the pumpkin starting to grow? There's the pumpkin right there, and here's the flower. Young pumpkins are green, if you can believe it. Do you see the pumpkins are green? What color are they usually? They grow bigger and bigger. Watch out, Pepper. And then they turn orange. That's the color pumpkin that we recall, orange. Some pumpkins grow very big. huge. It's bigger than her, isn't it? Some pumpkins stay very, very small. These tiny little pumpkins. And some pumpkins are just right for making jack-o'-lanterns. You might make these with your family towards the end of the month. Which pumpkin would you pick? Here's an index. An index at the end of a book will tell you specific words, phrases, or items that you can look up throughout the book. If you wanted to learn more about seeds, you'd go to page 6 and 7. If you wanted to learn more about yellow flowers, you'd go to page 9, 10, and 11. That's where seeds and yellow flowers would appear. The end. Thank you, Newbridge, for allowing us to read Growing Pumpkins by Melvin Berger. I have how many little pumpkins sitting on a gate? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate and a really fun verse that goes with them. 5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate. The first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "There are witches in the air." The third one said, "But I don't care." The fourth one said, "I'm ready for some fun." The fifth one said, "Let's run and run and run." And then whoosh went the wind and out went the lights. And 5 little pumpkins rolled out of sight. Halloween Mice by Bethany Roberts, illustrated by Doug Cushman. This book is read with permission by Clarion Books. Halloween Mice, all in costume. Halloween mice tiptoe, tiptoe. One little mouse is oh so slow. Hurry, scurry, frisk, frisk. Halloween mice skitter through the cornfield with a scarecrow. Ghosts, witches, whisk, whisk. There they go. Halloween mice scamper in the pumpkin patch, having a party, whirl, whirl. Halloween mice are midnight dancers, swirling in the moonlight. Twirl, twirl. Dance, prance, round and round, faster, faster, wish, wish. Halloween mice stop, listen, rustle, rustle, swish, swish. What's that? Halloween cat, coming, coming. Huddle, whisper, quick, quick. What should they do? Halloween mice make a plan. Scramble up a pumpkin, click, click. Halloween mice make a shadow. Spooky, scary. Run, cat, run! What did they make themselves look like in the shadow? Something very spooky to scare the cat away. Cat is gone. Sing, swing. Nibble on pumpkin seeds. Yum, yum. Halloween mice tiptoe home now. Yawning, tired. Ho, ho, hum. Halloween mice tumble into bed while owl in the tree hoots, hoo, hoo. One little mouse still wants to party, waits till it's quiet, then shouts, boo! Halloween mice. I have a fun little story about 6 little ghosties that have fun while their mommy ghostie is away. Now, mommy ghostie always tells little baby ghosts, don't eat anything that isn't plain white. What kind of food is plain white? We've got cauliflower and mashed potatoes and marshmallows. But the baby ghosties were just getting so sick and tired of mashed potatoes and cauliflower and marshmallows. So one afternoon, when Mama Ghost was in town, 6 little baby ghosts decided to play. The first little baby ghost went out into the garden, and what do you think she ate? She turned purple. What do you think she ate in the garden? Maybe some grapes? Did anyone say eggplant? Oh no, little ghostie, what will you do? Mama Ghost will know what you've been up to. The second little ghost turned blue. What do you think this little baby ghost ate while Mama Ghost was away? Blueberries. What else? Maybe a blue raspberry drink? Oh no, little ghost, what will you do? Mama Ghost will know what you've been up to. The next little ghost turned red. What do you think this little ghost ate while Mama Ghost was away? Red, something red. Spaghetti sauce, maybe some watermelon. Oh no, little ghost, what will you do? Mama Ghost will know what you've been up to. The next little ghost turned green. What do you think this little ghost ate? Maybe some zucchini, maybe some green peas. Oh no, little ghost, what will you do? Mama Ghost will know what you've been up to. And this baby ghost turned yellow. What do you think this baby ghost was eating while Mommy was away? Maybe some mustard, maybe some yellow squash. Oh no, little ghost, what will you do? Mama Ghost will know what you've been up to. Now what about this baby ghost? What do you think this baby ghost has eaten? Seems like this baby ghost got into some chocolate chip cookies, or maybe some cookies and cream ice cream. Oh no, baby ghost, what will you do? Mama Ghost will know what you've been up to. We're going to sing a very special edition of Zoom, Zoom, Zoom. It's a Halloween Zoom, Zoom, Zoom. And when we zoom, 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 we move our hands back and forth like this. And we'll count down at the end of our zoom, 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 and we'll fly off on our broom. Zoom, 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 climb onto my broom. Zoom, 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 climb onto my broom. If you'd like to take a flight to give a spook and give a fright, then zoom, 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 climb onto my broom. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boo! All right, friends, we're going to be singing our silly animal song goodbye. So if you're able to stand up with me and dance along, you can certainly do it sitting down though. And this song works on phonological awareness, which means we are learning parts of speech, parts of the words, and word sounds that help in early literacy. But we're also having super fun with it, and we're including new animals and new verses every time we sing this song. So every new Sing-along story time will have a new silly animal verse. So let's see if you remember the last two from our fall story time a couple weeks ago. It's called Ah Went the Little Green Frog. Ah went the little green frog one day. Ah went the little green frog. Ah went the little green frog one day, and they all went ah. But we know frogs go shimmy, shimmy, shake, shimmy, shimmy, shake, shimmy, shimmy, shake. But we know frogs go shimmy, shimmy, shake. They don't go ah. Bloop, bloop went the little blue fish one day. Bloop, bloop went the little blue fish. Bloop, bloop went the little blue fish one day, and they all went bloop, bloop, bloop. But we know fish go kissy, kissy, kiss, kissy, kissy, kiss, kissy, kissy, kiss. But we know fish go kissy, kissy, kiss. They don't go bloop, bloop, bloop. And our next verse is turtle. So I'm going to show you up close. We're going to put our hands on top of each other and spread out our fingers like this to make turtle. Slow, slow went the little green turtle one day. Slow, slow went the little green turtle. Slow, slow went the little green turtle one day. And they all went slow, slow, slow. But we know turtles go cowabunga dude, cowabunga dude, cowabunga dude. But we know turtles go cowabunga dude. They don't go slow, slow, slow. Good job, everybody. We'll see you next time for the next verse and the next sing-along story time. Have a great Halloween, a great October, and we'll see you in November. Hey, Pepper. Do you want to come say hi, since you're a black cat? Hi. You want to come up here? Yeah. Want to say hi to our friends? Pepper, don't eat plants, please. Pepper, say hi. All right, you can hang out during story time. That sound good? You're a black cat. You really fit in. But I am going to start playing